Crafting digital products on a shoestring budget, 10 free tools you can't miss. No budget, no problem. Easily create digital products using free tools. Here are 10 free tools anyone can use and create digital products. 1. Canva. Design like a pro. From ebooks to social media graphics, Canva's intuitive platform unleashes your creativity. No need to pay for anything. Use Canva to design products and sell for free. 2. Anchor by Spotify. Podcasting is made simple. Record, edit, and distribute your podcast to the world, all for free. Now live freely without limitations by using Anchor. It's now Spotify for podcasters. podcasters.spotify.com. 3. Google Docs. More than just writing. Collaborate, draft, and edit your ebooks, guides, or any written content. Best for writers who want to write long-form content like ebooks or want to create a PDF guide. google.com/docs. 4. Trello. Organize your project from planning to execution. Trello keeps your product development on track. Trello.com. 5. MailChimp. Start your email marketing journey. Create campaigns and build an audience without spending a penny. You can use Gumroad too. MailChimp.com. 6. DaVinci Resolve. Professional video editing for free. Craft your courses, YouTube videos, or any digital content. Sell video editing services. Very profitable. blackmagicdesign.com. 7. GIMP. An open source alternative to Photoshop. Edit images or create graphics without any cost. GIMP.org. 8. Audacity. Record and edit audio like a pro. Perfect for audiobooks, courses, or any audio content. audacityteam.org. 9. WordPress. Build your website or blog, a powerful tool for establishing your digital presence. You can give WordPress skills as a service. wordpress.org/plugins. 10. Hootsuite Free Plan. Manage your social media posts, schedule and analyze your content across platforms. Hootsuite.com.